Hello everybody, in this video I will be doing an unboxing of this lens, the Sony 28-70 f2 G Master. This just came out and I pre-ordered it and it just arrived, so I'm gonna open it and show you guys what's included in the package. So first, let's look at the box. This is what the box looks like. Sony 28-70mm f2 GM lens. It's got some weight to it, but not incredibly too heavy. All right, let's open it so we see what we got inside. So first of all, right when I open it, it looks like there's some sort of a case, like a pouch for the lens. And then on the bottom here, I believe this is a user manual. Information document, so... Oh, it's got several of them, like different languages, I suppose. So yeah, it's got a information guide / user manual for the lens, and it comes in different languages. So a bunch of different user guides for the lens in different languages. And then let's see here. Here's this lens pouch or lens case. And I think that's all there is inside the box. So it just comes with those user guides in different languages, and then this lens case right here. This is what the lens case looks like. And if I open this up, this is what's inside. Ooh. I believe this is the lens right here. So let's open this up. Here it is. The Sony 28-70 f2 lens. Like I said, I think it has some weight to it, but it's not like extremely heavy. I used to own the Tamron 35-150 f2 to 2.8, and this is lighter than that. And smaller too. So if I can handle the Tamron, I can handle this. That's my way of thinking anyways. So it's got AF to MF switch, as well as some focus hold buttons. And then it has a switch for smooth and tight for the zoom. Click and declick. It's got this aperture ring and an iris lock. It doesn't extend that much throughout the zoom range, only extends a little bit. Here's the lens cap, Sony lens cap. Let me take this off and reveal what the lens looks like. Here's the front element of the lens, so you can see. Now let's take a look at the back. Here's the rear cap. And here's what the back looks like. So yeah, it's it's a hefty lens, but I think I can handle it. Oh, interesting. It comes with a strap, I'm assuming for the camera pouch. Sorry, the lens pouch that it comes in. It's got a strap. And then here's the lens hood. There's actually... interesting. You can... I heard that you can put this down. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's like a window in the lens hood, so you can reach in. I'm assuming to adjust filters and whatnot. So here's the lens hood. Interesting. Let me try to put the lens hood on here, if I can. There we go. So this is what the lens looks like with the lens hood attached. Oh, actually my arms are starting to hurt now. They're getting tired now. But you know what? I think it'll be worth the weight of carrying it around. I can't wait to see the photos and videos that I'll be taking with this. I've been wanting a lens like this for a while, and now I finally have it. So really excited about this and looking forward to shooting with this. I'll be making more videos showing you guys, you know, photos and videos I take with this. But for now, this is the unboxing, and this is what it looks like. I'm looking forward to this. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.